Welcome to Puppetmasta Games. I'm Puppetmaster, an indie game developer with a bachelor's degree in digital media and animation. This channel is your go-to resource for everything game development. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, I've got you covered. I'll be teaching you how to use Godot 4, one of the most powerful and user-friendly game engines out there. From basic tutorials to advanced techniques, you'll learn all you need to bring your game ideas to life. We'll dive into every aspect of game development: designing, art, animation, music, programming, and writing. Each tutorial is designed to give you practical skills and insights that you can apply directly to your own projects. And that's not all. I'll also be showcasing the games I'm developing, giving you a behind-the-scenes look at my creative process and progress. So, whether you're here to learn, create, or get inspired, Puppetmasta Games is the place for you. Hit that like and subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey through the world of game development.